Hello everyone. So today I will be breaking down this thermodynamics chapter for your JEE. So let's start breaking it down so that you can cover topic by topic and complete your whole chapter. So coming to the first topic, what you could study is this system, surroundings and type of system. So this is like the fundamental of thermodynamics. So you should know what is system. If you are given a problem, then you should be clearly defining what a system is, what is surrounding, and you should be able to classify what is an open system, what is an closed system, and what are the properties of these systems. Like, let's say if you're given an isolated system, then you should know what is its property. Then only you will be able to solve problems. So make sure you cover first these topics. That's why I've arranged in order so that you can complete them order by order so that you will feel good in the end that yes, you have covered whole chapter. Now coming to the second topic, so it is thermodynamic processes. So what you should cover is you should know what is isothermal process, what is adiabatic process, what is isochoric, and all these processes, as these are the terms that are used in exam. So you should know, like, in order to solve a problem, you should know that what does the property of isochoric is. Then only you will be able to solve the problem, right? So, like, see the pattern. What changes? What stays constant? Is heat allowed? Is work allowed? What is the work in which case? So this is really important. So you should cover on in this basis. And coming to the next part, we have heat, work, and internal energy. So this is like the most one of the most important topics of this chapter. So you should know what is the work done by a gas. You should know the PV graphs and other variants of the graphs to find the work and energy. And the sign convention is like super important. You should be following only one sign convention. Like, follow only that one, don't change, so that you won't be confused in solving problems. So, like, just decide one sign convention and follow that only, and practice more problems on that sign convention only. And then the internal energy concepts, like, this is really important. You should know what does this mean and all, right? And coming to the next part, the first law of thermodynamics. So this is again super important. You should know this equation. This is a really important one. You should know what happens when a process changes and all those stuffs, right? Then coming to the internal energy of an ideal gas. So you should know all the properties like degree of freedom, and it depends on only on the temperature, and what is monoatomic, what is diatomic gases. So yeah, cover this topic as well. Then coming to the heat capacities, so you must know the definition of CP, and then Mayer's relation, gamma concept. So yeah, this is another topic, and yes, questions are asked on this topic also. And then coming to the other one, second law of thermodynamics. So yes, and mostly like JEE Mains and JEE Advanced also ask questions on this. So you should cover like Kelvin Planck's constant, Celsius experiment, why efficiency can't be 100% in the Carnot cycle and all, right? And then there is one more concept like entropy. So you should cover what is exactly mean by entropy, when it changes, and like all the equations related to entropy, right? And then there are also things like Carnot cycle, refrigeration cycle, and all those. So you should know all those cycles too, right? So this was like basically a full breakdown of this chapter. And if you cover in the sequence, and if you remember then topic by topic, then I would say this is a